Synagogue. The word synagogue refers to a place of worship and community gathering for Jewish people. It is derived from the Greek word synagoge, which means assembly or congregation. Synagogues serve as centers for prayer, study, and social activities within the Jewish community. In a synagogue, individuals come together to pray, read from the Torah, the sacred scripture of Judaism, and participate in religious ceremonies. It is not only a place for religious observance but also a hub for education, cultural events, and social interactions. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of the word synagogue. 1. I am going to the synagogue for the Shabbat service. This sentence indicates that someone is attending a religious service on the Jewish Sabbath day. 2. The synagogue has a beautiful ark where the Torah scrolls are kept. Here, the term ark refers to a cabinet or structure that holds the Torah scrolls, which are considered sacred in Judaism. 3. The synagogue organizes various events to promote community engagement. In this example, the synagogue is seen as a place that fosters social connections and involvement within the Jewish community. 4. Many people come to the synagogue to study Jewish texts and traditions. Here, the synagogue serves as an educational center where individuals can learn about Jewish teachings and practices. Overall, a synagogue is a vital institution within Judaism, providing a space for worship, learning, and community building.